not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with OMGHerHair again. Always love this very nice, minimalistic, sleek packaging. It's so nice. Love it. So we'll get into the box, and I have this drawstring bag. All right, before we get into that, let's see these goodies that we got. So I got this flyaway tamer. I got a branded rat tail comb, says OMGHerHair. I have a pair of wig caps, and then lastly I got this thank you card. So now let's get into our wig of the day from OMGHerHair. Oh wow, okay, this is super gorgeous. So this is actually a natural color loose curly 13x6 lace front, glueless lace front, a HD lace front wig, guys, and it looks so good. It feels so good. It's also a gorgeous curly edge glueless lace front. Loving this. This is 20 inches long, and it's a loose curly texture. As I said, really nice. It's so nice and full, and it's 180% in density, so I love that. This is how it looks, and it's pre-plucked as well. I have to say, I always enjoy working with OMGHerHair. They do take pride in their wig constructions. I find them to be a nice, wig company that I definitely recommend for some bomb curly texture wigs, because it's mostly curly textures that I get from them, wavy or curly, but this is so nice. So this is how the inside looks, the inside of the cap. It, of course, this elastic here is the key to making a really great glueless wig, and it's adjustable, so you can make it as tight or loose on your head. And then this is the lace portion. This is how the lace portion looks. So for the most part, it's the middle part of the lace that has that 13x6 depth, and on the very sides is like an inch. So yeah, but you could get a nice side part within this area and center part. Also, the inside of the cap has a total of 4 combs, which adds to security, and also these adjustable straps in the very back. I also love the fact that they pre-bleached the lace, so you don't have to worry about doing that on your own. Okay, this is gonna be a really quick and easy beginner friendly install. And guys, Black Friday is around the corner, so if there's any deals, any discount code, I will for sure list them in my description box. So let's go ahead and get into this quick and easy install. So I'm gonna just go ahead, use this portion and slip the wig on. Oh wow, this is super snug. Wow, that's actually really good. Like, this is going absolutely nowhere. Let me show you. Like, oh wow. Yeah, those the adjustable elastic band really does help with how well your wig fits on your head, and I absolutely love that. His hair is so full. Can't believe it's only 180% in density. Like, it feels like it's more. So right off the bat, I'm gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace off the wig. The edges, they look really good. I'm very pleased. The only portion on this wig, of course, you guys know when I'm working with full-on lace fronts, I always use a little bit of spray to tack the ear portion, like the sideburn portion, because I don't like when it's flabbing, but the rest of it is really laid.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day.
So you see that lace, how blended that is so undetectable, like no cast, nothing. It looks so good. So you see what I'm talking about the sideburn area. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my hairspray and get that in place. This is too nice. I'm just gonna use my blow dryer to dry that down really nice and proceed. Look at that, just a little bit of hairspray and it looks so good. And I'm gonna finesse these edges too. I'm just gonna make everything nice and product. It doesn't need like a bunch of product, like, oh my gosh, that looks so good. That's actually so good. Like, this is flawless. This has to be one of the most flawless curly edge glueless wigs I've received so far. Wow. Like, they did their thing with making this lace front so nice and blendable. Like, top tier. At least I tell you guys, OMGHerHair is a big deal. It's one of those hair companies that their wigs are kind of like a big deal. Like, they do maintain great quality when it comes to their wigs. Like, it's not even a joke. I'm gonna go ahead and make, just kind of elongate this part in a little bit more, because I mean, this is some good 13x6. This is a really good 13x6 wig. We need to embrace this bust down, okay? I'm just gonna put a little bit of wax the top right here to get it nice and flat. Okay. I love the like messy curly edge vibe. Like, I really do. Like, oh my gosh. But I do feel like I want to, because I want to show you guys, I want to embrace the edges. I really want to embrace the edges on this. You guys can see how pretty this is. So I'm gonna get my spray bottle with water and just mist this just with some water, just to tame it a little. Just to define the curls a little bit more. That looks good. I'm just giving you options for like how you could style the wig, and that's just a nice pullback vibe. It just gives like this messy, effortless vibe, and I love that. The shedding is at a minimal level, okay? So you can see, I don't know if you guys can see my hands, but I do have some strands from thoroughly brushing through the hair. Feel like that's pretty minimal. Okay. That is giving. Just fix my brows. Yeah, that's definitely giving what I wanted to give. Yes, definitely giving what it's supposed to. I love that. Oh my gosh. So I really wanted to do a style just pulling the hair out of my face, but I still wanted to maintain that effortless kind of look, because that's what this curl pattern gives, like the loose curly vibe. You don't want it to look too forced. You kind of just want it to, you want to maintain that natural vibe with this wig. And OMG her hair, you did that. You did that. Absolutely no glue, just a little bit of hairspray on the sides, and that's not what keeps the wig still, because you guys saw I did the shake test. It's a win. It's definitely a win. Let me show you guys again, because I don't want you guys to think that I applied any adhesive on this at all. It's a 10. Highly, highly, highly recommend. Alright, OMGHerHair, you did your thing. You did, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my, the direct link to this wig in my description box. So if you guys want to go ahead and get this for yourself, feel free to go ahead and check out down there. I'll also put all the specifications to this wig in my description box. Jeez, I love the fact that you don't have to apply any product to the edges to let them have, like, you know, that look, you know, like the curls. It comes with the curls, and you can just play around with it. If you don't want it, you can pull it back, but it's not giving, you know, product-y and like laid down on your face. You don't have to do that. This is so natural looking, very realistic. So shout out to OMGHerHair, they did their thing. Yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Let me know what you guys think. It is a 10. Okay, I love this. Imagine if you even decide to go ahead and glue this down. It's gonna be so pretty, so pretty. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on the stuff. Bye.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.